Hi guys, so today we're gonna do a video, and you can tell by the title. Today we're gonna mix all of our slimes. I'm actually really excited, and yes, let's get started. And we're gonna use this on our mixing tools. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one I'm going to mix is this one.
Wait, Pop, pick up your shoe.
Oh yeah.
Pop.
Stay closer. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. She got me, so she can pick whatever she wants.
I think I want this one.
Okay. Don't show your face. Okay, she's gonna mix this one in the slime. I don't know who's this.
That is mine.
No weapons is mine because I have the same thing. Okay, it goes to the tool. Okay, so it's mixed in there. Okay, so let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot again.
Pop, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna do all of them, and then you.
So now you have to show it to the camera first. So she's gonna mix this purple one. Here, the purple.
I'm gonna mix it because I'm gonna do all of them. This slime is good.
Okay, pick it in there. It's so clicky.
Okay.
Okay, this is all in there.
There's some more.
So it's in there, guys.
We'll put the pockets in here. This is all of the tape.
Okay, so I'm not gonna mix it already because that's gonna be in the end. And let's just Nicole. There's still more in there. How do you can take that out? Okay, so let's represent this shit again.
Okay, I'm gonna win the game.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes. So I'm going to pick the kinetic sand. So yeah.
I'll pick my sand.
No, we agreed to do this. So I'm gonna take a little bit because my sister loved the kinetic sand. So we're gonna do a little bit. And you too. Okay, so this is how much I'm gonna get from her sand.
This is gone.
There we go.
Now my turn.
Here's the rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No!
You got 1 point and I got.
Wait, 1
3
second.
points.
Nico, don't show your face, okay? Because I'm really scared.
He watching you. I'm watching.
Also, guys, we're not gonna mix slimes. We're gonna mix glitter and all of those things. So, what's you gonna pick?
I think I'm gonna pick
There's
this
another
white
one.
thing.
The white slime.
Yeah.
You really like that slime?
Yeah. I miss you.
You can just keep a little bit, okay? And then put the rest over here.
Just because I'm not like you. Because it's turned blue.
Okay. She really wanted to be white slime, but it turned blue because of the tie.
Because I'm not like Ty. Because he's booty.
Okay, there we go. Let's do the rock, paper, scissors again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my god.
This is 2 left. Yay. I think I finished it.
Okay. I'm sorry about that.
Oh my gosh. It's freeze.
Yeah, this is a very hard slime. I had this like over a month.
Yeah,
Now?
months ago.
That's why I really wanted to make this video. I don't know if it's going to turn out very good. Okay, let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot again.
I got 5 points.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah, so I'm not going to pick any of those. Slime. I am going
lot.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a lot to shine it bright. Now you can even see the slimes.
Get a lot.
I did. I'll put it off. Okay, I'll just put it off.
Oh my gosh.
How much is that?
We're gonna mix it.
Okay, so let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot again.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, Nico, you have to stop getting rock. Because I already know you're going to get rock. And I'm just, yeah. Or you can just pick glitter. Okay. You can pick glitter. And the most ugliest slime ever. Oh yeah, that should be in here.
We're not gonna get glitter. Just the glitter. Glitter.
I need to show you this glitter.
This glitter. More glitter. Then,
Okay, she's gonna put pink glitter. Oh no.
I'm gonna put a lot. Okay.
I don't want to spill all of the. Let's show it. You want to pour it? Okay, do it. Because I.
No, I like it.
Okay, I'll do it.
No, maybe.
Okay, that's be enough. Look at the table.
You get in the pillow.
Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. We're gonna mix it.
Benny Big Belly hit us.
Okay, let's see what we have next in here.
I know this
We
is
also
hearing.
have this.
This is hearing.
Oh
Look.
yeah, guys, we also have coloring.
But I can't see me. I'm visible.
Okay, so that's it. We have no. Okay, Nicole, let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'm gonna pick.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Okay, let's do it. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Pop, pick a ring.
No, I win you. I win you.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pick this blue slime. This was my favorite slime of
Can I
all.
show my face?
Nico, don't show like your full face, cause Dad's gonna see our videos. Put your half face, okay?
Okay.
Okay, this is the slime we're gonna put. I've been showing this for a few videos, or one video or two. Okay, let's put the slime in there. Oh my god, I can actually blend in there. Oh no, it's sticky.
Don't play it.
Yeah, because I don't want to mix it. Okay. Oh. Okay, Nicole, it's your turn.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, I win.
I want it. Oh my.
Okay, your turn.
Oh my god, this is heavy.
Yeah, that's actually a fail slime I've been doing
Yenny.
without a video. Dun, 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 dun. She's gonna get mine. Here, I'll do it.
Thank you.
So this is how much. This is my kinetic sound.
Okay, give me your bowl.
Give me the bowl. The bowl.
Oh my god, it's cool. Look at this turning.
Okay.
Oh my god, touch it. I touch it. I touch it. Oh my god, it feels good.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna end this video right here. But
No, 5 minutes.
no, because I don't know because my phone can take a long time doing videos. So guys, so I'm gonna end this video right here, and this is the part 1, and I'm gonna do a part 2 today and right now. Okay, bye guys.